Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a very disgusting ceiling fan, which is actually in my bedroom over my bed, and how I clean it. I procrastinated doing this for a very long time, and it actually took me 3 days to do 3 fans because I just didn't want to do it. I thought I would try the pillowcase method, and I changed my mind and tried a plastic bag for the bedroom. Well, I think that there was just too much dust and it didn't work too well. The reason I wanted to do this is so that it wouldn't stain the pillowcase because there was so much dust, but in the end, it really just didn't work too well, and I should have stuck to an actual pillowcase. I would recommend using a dark one so it doesn't stain. Maybe buy one from a thrift store specifically for this purpose. You can see how the dust is not coming off using the plastic bag, but I don't know if it would have been better had I used a pillowcase, because when you see me using the paper towels, it is still not coming off very well. That's really disgusting, all that fallout of dust. So I'm curious guys, what do you use to clean your ceiling fans and how often do you do it? Because I honestly don't think this has ever been done, but I could be wrong. So leave me a comment below and let me know. I hope this is motivating to you guys. I haven't been in this house too long, just a few years, and I probably should have cleaned that ceiling fan much sooner, but like I said, I really just didn't want to do it. So after I am done cleaning this, I am just spraying it down with Windex. It's an all-purpose in the yellow liquid. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I like the way it smells. I'll link it down below. I had to remove the light cover to clean the inside because it had bugs and dust, so I cleaned it out with soap and water and then reattached it. I also wanted to make sure that all the light bulbs were working. So now it's clean and I don't have to stare at the dust while I'm laying in bed. So you can see here all the dust that fell onto the carpet. This is why the pillowcase method works so well, because most of the dust goes into the pillowcase and then you don't get very much that lands on the carpet or onto your floor. I just vacuumed everything up. And next is the TV room. The TV room was a lot easier to do because I was standing on the coffee table rather than a ladder. The ceiling is a lot lower there and also not as much dust on this fan. I'm using a Mrs. Meyer's rosemary spray but used peppermint on the next fan, and that one is my absolute favorite. I'm new to Grove Collaborative and ordered from them because they had the peppermint that I couldn't find in any stores. I'm not sure how it all works, but I do have an affiliate link below in case you've not tried them and are interested. Lastly was a fan in the boys' room, which was real easy to do. After I was done with the pillowcase, I took it outside, flipped it inside out, and shook it just like this. And of course, like turning your head and closing your eyes, doing that whole thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of these other videos here and see you next time.